Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to forward voice messages on Instagram. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then slide to the right to open the chats. And then select the user. Now tap and hold on the voice message. As you can see, there is no forward option. In order to forward the voice message, just open the screen recorder on your phone. Then record the screen and send it to your friend. And this is how you can forward voice messages on Instagram. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.